Earth, our home, a world that's been frozen, burned, smashed, and reborn. More times than you can imagine. Asteroids have slammed into it. Continents have ripped apart. Life has risen and been wiped out again and again. And somehow, we're still here. So what if we could rewind time all the way back and watch the entire history of Earth unfold before our eyes? The birth of Earth. About 4.5 billion years ago, the solar system was nothing but a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Then, boom, gravity pulled it all together, creating a fiery newborn star, our sun. Around it, tiny chunks of rock began to collide and fuse, forming the planets. Among them, a young molten world, Earth. It wasn't the blue marble we know today. It was a hellish world of fire and chaos. Volcanoes erupted constantly, filling the air with toxic gases like methane and carbon dioxide. And then disaster struck. A Mars-sized planet called Theia slammed into Earth with unimaginable force. The collision melted both worlds, and from the debris that circled the planet, our moon was born. The first oceans and life. For millions of years, Earth's surface stayed molten, but slowly it began to cool. Water vapor condensed, clouds formed, and rain poured down for thousands of years. The oceans were born, and inside those dark waters, life sparked around 3.7 billion years ago. Tiny microorganisms, simple, single-celled life, became the first inhabitants of our world. They would change everything. Oxygen and ice. As these microbes evolved, some began using sunlight to make food, releasing oxygen as waste. This process, photosynthesis, transformed the planet's atmosphere. But all that new oxygen reacted with methane, cooling the planet dramatically. Earth froze over in what's now called the Great Oxygenation Event, our planet's first ice age. The supercontinents rise and fall. Meanwhile, the continents were on the move. The first land masses, called cratons, emerged from the seas and drifted together to form Earth's first supercontinent, Valbara. Then came Rodinia, possibly the largest supercontinent in history, and later, Pannotia. Each breakup and collision reshaped the planet, and life adapted every time. The Cambrian explosion. About 540 million years ago, something incredible happened. In just a few million years, life exploded into a dazzling variety of forms. This was the Cambrian explosion, the birth of complex animals. The seas were filled with strange creatures, trilobites, sponges, and early predators. It was life's big leap forward, the first mass extinction. But then came disaster. About 440 million years ago, the oceans cooled, oxygen dropped, and nearly 85% of marine life vanished. This was the Ordovician-Silurian extinction, the first of Earth's 5 mass extinctions. Life moves to land. Still, life persisted. Around 400 million years ago, plants began to cover the land. Forests grew. And soon after, the first animals crawled out of the oceans, beginning a new era of evolution. The Age of Giants. 250 million years ago, all the continents united once again into one giant landmass, Pangaea. But it wasn't paradise. Volcanoes erupted endlessly, pumping toxic gases into the air. The climate spiraled out of control, and the Great Dying began. It was Earth's deadliest extinction ever, wiping out 90% of all life, the rise of dinosaurs. But from the ashes came new life, dinosaurs. For over 150 million years, they ruled the planet. From the colossal Argentinosaurus to the terrifying T-Rex, this was their world. Until the sky fell again, the asteroid impact. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid slammed into what's now Mexico. The impact unleashed global firestorms, blocked the sun, and froze the planet. And just like that, the dinosaurs were gone. The age of humans. With the giants gone, mammals took over. Small, furry survivors evolved, adapted, and eventually gave rise to us. The earliest humans appeared around 6 million years ago, and over time our ancestors learned to walk, make tools, and harness fire. We built civilizations, created art, and reshaped the planet itself, modern Earth. Fast forward to just 250 years ago, the Industrial Revolution began. Machines, cities, and technology changed everything. Our population exploded, from 1 billion to over 8 billion in just 2 centuries. But now we face a new challenge: climate change. Rising temperatures, melting ice, and mass extinction threaten the balance of life once again. Will humanity survive the next great test of Earth's history? That is a story for another What If. This is FactLabX, where we explore the past, the future, and everything in between. Hit subscribe and let's keep asking, what if?